I got something to show you. I've been meaning to show you this for quite a while, but if you can hear, I am at the Audible Lights, the new Audible Lights in town, and I've had people on Facebook asking me how to work them, like how to enable the Audible feature. So I thought I'd show you that really quick, how it actually works, because pretty much what you guys are hearing is this. That is the locator tone. That tells us where it is. That tells the blind people where it is. So most people know that if you want to activate the button to get across the street, you just push the button once time like this, and you hear that sound. But if you hold the button down, listen to this.
Prospect Avenue at Government Road.
It talks. It tells you what street you're about to cross. Now, I'm not going to cross because I want you guys to hear the cycle. So, it's going to make a cuckoo sound, which indicates you're going east. No, it indicates you're going north or south. That arrow, by the way, is for us blind people. Tells us where the lights are. Now, listen to this.
$14, $13, $12, $11, $10, $9, $8, $7, $6, $5, $4, $3, $2, $1.
So, by the way, it does vibrate as well for those people who are deaf or are hearing impaired as well. So you know that it's safe to cross like that. That's part of the reason why this is also there. Now, that's Prospect Avenue over there. And over there, the cars are going on Government Road. Now, if you're going from east to west, it makes a different sound.
Government Road at Prospect Avenue.
Now listen to this. This is what is known as the Canadian melody. So there you are. That is a Canadian melody, and that indicates you're going east to west. So the cuckoo sound means you're going from north to south, and the Canadian melody, which is what you just heard, goes from east to west. Now, you're probably wondering about these tactile platings. This is what tells us where to cross. I'll show you. Right there, there are 3 ways you can go, you can cross from. Now, the thing is we didn't cross this way. That particular plate that my cane is feeling right now goes towards Prospect. If you wanted to cross Government, to go on to Prospect. This way, this one goes to cross Government Road. So, And by the way, that little thing right there, it says push button to cross. But for us blind people, you hold the button down. Now anybody can do that. Anybody can hold the button down, don't get me wrong. There's no fine or anything. So if you guys want to try holding down the button, and you have to hold it down for 3 seconds, and then it'll tell you when it's safe to cross. Try it. Anybody can try it. There's no worries about anything. So I thought I'd show you guys that real quick so that way you guys can know, because I've had people asking me how they work. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys, and thank you so much.